How does carbon sequestration reduce a farm's carbon footprint? Imagine a farm where the soil acts like a sponge, soaking up carbon dioxide from the air and storing it safely underground. That's the essence of carbon sequestration, a process gaining attention in sustainable agriculture and environmental conservation. When farms adopt certain land management practices, they can actually lower their overall greenhouse gas emissions. This means less carbon dioxide escapes into the atmosphere, helping fight climate change. The main idea is to capture carbon dioxide from the air and lock it into the soil, which reduces the farm's carbon footprint. This process balances out emissions from activities like using fuel-powered equipment, applying fertilizers, and managing livestock that produce methane. By increasing the amount of carbon stored in the soil, farms can become more environmentally friendly. Practices that promote carbon sequestration include reducing soil disturbance by switching to no-till or low-till farming. This keeps the soil structure intact and prevents the releases of stored carbon. Planting cover crops or rotating different crops throughout the year keeps the land covered with plants, which absorb carbon during photosynthesis. When these plants die or are harvested, their roots and residues add organic matter to the soil, boosting carbon storage. Properly managed grazing also helps. When livestock graze in controlled ways, grasses grow thicker and develop deeper roots, which hold more carbon underground. Adding compost or crop leftovers to fields increases organic matter in the soil, further trapping carbon. These practices not only store carbon but also improve soil health, making it more resilient to droughts and heavy rains. Healthier soils need fewer chemical fertilizers, which cuts down emissions linked to fertilizer production and use. From a farm investment point of view, adopting carbon sequestration practices can make land more valuable. Better soil health means higher crop yields and more resilience to climate swings. Farms that participate in carbon credit programs can even sell verified carbon offsets, creating new income streams. It's important to remember that soils can only store so much carbon before reaching their capacity. Ongoing management is necessary to maintain these benefits. If the land is disturbed or mismanaged, stored carbon can escape back into the atmosphere. In short, carbon sequestration helps reduce a farm's carbon footprint by capturing atmospheric carbon dioxide and storing it in the soil through sustainable farming methods. This approach not only fights climate change but also boosts soil quality, farm productivity, and economic opportunities through carbon markets. It's a smart move for farmers looking to be more environmentally responsible and for investors interested in sustainable land use.